cut a slit. You're not cutting all the way through. Got some pizza sauce. We're just gonna put in a dollop right here. Got some mozzarella here. And then the only thing you have to kind of be careful of is like if you get it outside of those lines that you cut earlier, then we are going to add our pepperoni, much or as little as you want. Get some really thin sliced red onions. Just put that right on top. And then this goes into a, give me 1 second, actually I'm gonna add some more onions here. This is gonna go into a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes, super fast. Look at this, guys. 400 degrees for about 15 minutes and everything will puff up while you're looking at it through like the oven window. But trust me, when you take it out, the inside part, the part after you made that cut, will sink down. So let's go ahead and turn this sideways. I'm gonna cut myself a slice. Ooh, do you hear that crunch? I don't want to push too hard because it'll like crush the whole thing. But, so I've got a slice right there. Doesn't it look great? The crust is all crunchy. And then I'm going to add a little bit of hot honey to the top of that. If you don't like, this is pretty spicy because it's like an infused chili honey. So if you don't like spicy, use just regular honey instead. So I'm going to just put a couple drops. It's lighter than a standard pizza crust. It's got that tart-like buttery crust. It's so good. And oh my God, the hot honey. The best part. Because it's like sweet and spicy and it goes really, really well with the pepperoni. I hope you try this recipe next time you have like some time to make homemade pizzas and have a pizza party at home. Thanks for watching.